testing 有吗 ？testing is okay. OK
现在弄不了，可以了。
啊，
哎，这怎么在直播了呀？是吗？
嗯
你在直啦？
，yes yes, it's okay. Okay.
I don't know.
Yes, sir. Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to our live room. So I found a company factory about a line factory, and now we come to check.
Hello,
Martin.
everyone. Hi, Kevin.
Yes, okay. So now we come to our factory, right?
Yes.
Yeah, to discover the great filmmaking machine.
Yeah.
So now today as a wheel of silent. So I do not know more about things like the filmmaking machine. So you to help for to discovering and testing, checking this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Firstly, this machine is used
Yes.
for making the oral dissolving film. So we
Yes.
call it OD.
Yeah, I realize. So what's the machine? And today we checking for testing for this machine.
Yes. And before this, we need some documents.
Okay.
Or we need to check the parts one by one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this is inspection report, right?
Yes.
So okay, I have one first questions. What's the name of this machine?
This name means the name
Is
called
yeah. So OCM 116.
yeah
Ah.
116.
So what we call the OCM 116?
Because the film the width is the 160.
116. Yeah, you just to address the film width is the max film width is 116.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. And so we first to the first stage for the inspection report.
We need to check and confirm
Yes.
the some deviation and some part of the machine.
Yes. Okay, so what's the first part we need to check?
We need to check the vacuum jump.
Vacuum jump. What's the vacuum jump? Is for the feeding station.
Yeah, it's for the feeding the material to the machine.
Yeah, but now we cannot see the vacuum feeder. It's optional station or else.
Yeah, it is optional, not
It's not as a standard, right? Yes. Okay, I see. So now we can see that because this machine is no requirement about the vacuum or anything else.
Yes, because this machine maybe is used for research.
Yeah, okay.
So maybe it should not need the vacuum.
Okay, I see. So for the OCM 116, it's for research for the lab.
Yes.
Okay, so which is for production?
Production.
Yes.
Which is for
which model is for production? You mean the 116 is for lab for research, and which for the research?
Yeah, maybe
production. Sorry.
340.
Okay, 340. I think we will be next time we will be live on for this machine.
Yes.
Okay.
And,
now what's the next?
Check the coding technique control device.
Control device.
Yes.
Okay. So our photographer will close. Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay, we can open the. Okay, we can open the door.
This is the
yes
device for control the thickness.
Yeah, controls the thickness. Yeah. Okay, so which part is for this part?
Yeah, this part
can control the film width.
Yes.
Thickness. Okay. No, I want to control the film width. Because you mean for this is OCM.
Yeah.
That's max. But how can I adjust the film width?
You can see this two white.
Yeah, we can see it has two white block, right?
Yes, and we can through this
yes.
control the width.
We can see have some ruler, right?
Yes.
You can see the date about the ruler, and you can adjust the film width by menu.
Yeah.
Okay, so which we just adjust the block and depends on the menu, and so for this part we cannot adjust for the PLC control panel, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you need to control the film width and need to change some parts of the film making, So you need to control adjust the fume wise by this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
And then let's check the air inlet high efficiency filter.
Air inlet contribution. So see, for this machine is heated by hot air.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, so where we can see the where we can see the fan.
And we will
Yeah.
throw the
This is the filter, right?
the air will through this and
Wait, sorry. So air inlet. How can I see the air inlet? Because directly see it very close.
yeah, you can see the
So
web through there.
yes, I
And go
also see the fan motor, right?
Yeah.
So there's the motor, right? So that's the air inlet. Okay, so the air just inlet for this tube and across this fan box and onto this filter. Okay.
And then finally it will go out through this web.
Also go out for this web. Okay, I see. And for more one questions, what's the efficiency of this filter?
What's the efficiency of
It can reach 80%, 90%, or 95% because for the lab, it need high quality of this.
99%?
Yeah, it's 99.99.
Yeah.
Okay. Just 99 point is 449.
49, yeah.
Yes,
49.
okay. I see. So for this filter, it can be 99, 99 point, okay, double 9%.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes. Okay, it's a very high efficiency of filter, right?
Yes.
Okay, so so we finish this stage, and what's the next?
And the next is the inlet air temperature adjustment.
The inlet air
Yeah.
adjust. Okay, I just use machine is air inlet for web, and so we can adjust for this air inlet by fan motor.
Yeah, the fan motor will
By okay, for more questions, it's for how could we replace the filter? Because yes, we can see that it's closed. So
Yeah,
how could we
it just,
exchange the
yes.
filter? Close A.
Yes, and it is easy to change. Easy to adjust.
Easy to adjust. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. So what's the next stage? I think I'm very clear for this part.
Next stage is the oven. Let's see the oven.
Oven. Okay. Okay, so now we turn in front of the machine, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, okay, camera, please. Okay, for this part, now we come to the oven. I see. So for this part is oven, right?
Yeah, and it shows the oven needed to be controlled independently. It
Independently,
means we need
yeah.
to the PS control. And,
Okay.
we need
So can I open this door?
yes, of course.
Okay. So for this part is oven.
Yeah, as you can see, the air will through there to go inside.
Okay, I see. Yeah. If I just because we are not this machine is not work.
Yeah, not running now.
Not running now. So now heating area, hot area for this part.
Yes.
But I also still can feeling some wind fluor. Yes, also can see. So okay, for this part, this is air inlet, and so for the bottom one is for the air outlet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because I can feel it for that.
Yeah. And this part we need to check if the oven can be controlled
by dependently.
Yeah, so
Dependently. You mean
independently.
okay? Okay, I see. For this oven we have two parts, right?
Yes.
That's why you see the dependently. Okay, so we have two oven and okay, sorry. So now we have two ovens, so we can control by dependently. So why we adjust for design for this like this?
Firstly, such as some customers material
Yes.
with the temperature.
Yeah, they'll just adjust the temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, so
If we
yeah.
like first oven will need the high temperature to
high
dry
temperature.
the material, and the second maybe will low
Yeah,
down
yeah.
temperature.
Yes, because as we know, so the material for the first stage is the wet material.
Also, increase the efficiency of the film.
Yeah. So for design for the two parts is in order to the high, high efficiency of the drying.
Yeah. Also, it's can easy to meet the requirement of some customers.
Also can be different requirements. Also can be filled in out.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So how can I adjust?
Adjust what?
Adjust, you mean the two oven can be adjusted dependently. So how can I show this oven can be adjusted dependently? Okay, so now we follow for this part. Okay, this is our PLC control panel, and we have two language selection. Yes, we can adjust for the language, and now this part is for Chinese. Yes, we can see Chinese language selection, and now we can change it for the English. Yeah, you can see for English.
And
Yes.
you can see the oven temperature.
Yeah.
We need to set the temperature independently.
Yes, I can see it's oven 1, oven 2. That means the first oven first, and oven second.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's okay. So for this PLC control panel, we can clearly say we can adjust oven dependently.
Yeah. Also, you can see the oven cover. Also
I can see oven cover. So we just to turn off this button, turn off button, and it will be covered and closed.
Yes, sure.
So in order for the driving and heating, and do not let the hot air outlet.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Okay, also I can see temperature. Yes, two temperature, right?
Yes.
Yes, that also means we can adjust the different temperature between the two parts of the oven.
Yes.
Okay, so now we just finished the oven part now. So which is the next stage of about this? What's the next?
Next stage is the pusher plate and the scraper pressure function.
The pressure.
Yeah, pressure like this.
Okay. Let you show. Please show it. Yes, it can be opened. Yes, and now we turn again and to show the pressure. So which is the pressure?
This is the pressure.
So this is the pressure.
Yeah, and this is the scraper.
Okay. Scraper. Yes, we also see to control the film thickness. Now, what's the pressure? Can you show of this scraper? Yes. You mean to adjust the film thick, wetness and you.
No.
Okay.
This is the pressure.
Platform
Pressure. Yeah.
pressure. Okay. Just for our material, wet material, just to put inside for this.
Yes.
There.
We need to put the pressure to better connected with this scraper, and then the material will not loose.
Yes. Okay. I know. I already know that. Just you mean Also we have we also can see the film inside, right?
Yes.
So we need to touch close this film and do not let the material loose and put anywhere in this machine.
Yes. Right.
Yes. Okay. I know that.
And this function is over. And
Yes.
let's see the film feeding station.
Film feeding.
Yeah.
Film feeding. Yes. Okay. So which is the part? You means film feeding.
Yeah. It also means checking ruler.
Okay. We can easily say.
You can see this is also called the unweighting ruler.
Unweighting ruler.
Yeah. This also call it the feeding ruler. Yeah.
Okay. I also see for this electric sensor. So which sensor is working for?
This sensor is for check if the film is
Run out.
Yeah, run out, or if there are film there.
You mean this film or run out or lack of this machine? lay off first machine, it will be so okay. If the film run out, which section will be happen?
It will be alarm and the
Yeah, alarm.
lights will turn red.
Okay, so right. Okay, so for the blue light,
Yes.
it will be turn red.
Yes.
Ah, okay, I see. Okay, I see. So for this unwaiting, yeah, for unwaiting station, cross for. Okay, I see. For this part to just to through for this part, right?
You can see it is check-in roller.
Yeah. Okay, I check change loader and unwaiting. So just to hand on on the film for this.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So I already know that. So
Let's see
the next.
Next is the waiting station.
Yes.
Waiting station.
Waiting
We have
station.
the unwaiting station.
So yes.
Also there will be
Also
a
need
waiting
to
station.
depends on the waiting station. Ah, okay, I see.
And,
Yeah.
now
Yes.
there is some customers there, so let's
Yes.
go through this part. Let's check.
Now we can to purchase aft. And now which is the next stage we need to check in and testing.
Let me see.
Okay, which next?
Next, we will observe equipment appearance, whether have
Yes.
rest stance effects match, and whether the bottom corner
Ah.
of the fuel plant.
You mean so because now we are in factory, right?
Yeah.
So we need to packing this machine into our silent factory and to check the clean or her damage, and we need to fix things or something problems we need to check and finding. So why we have this inspection report?
Yes.
Okay, now so we for
Because-
this part.
Not the machine, not his function, but also we need to check if their
Yeah.
beauty or their appearance is wonderful or something.
Yeah, because we also need to make sure they are working because some damage and it will be leak of machines and if you touch and or slide or smooth and it will be hurt our employee.
Yes.
So we need to make sure and to fix them and solve this problem.
Yes, you know the very much.
Yes,
So
I already know that, right?
now let you check about the appearance of this machine.
Okay, so I to check.
Yes.
Okay, so now we can see first. Now we need to check the main body about this machine. Is working and this appearance should be smooth and finished. So now you can close and see that our finish is smooth, right? Now we just by hand and no wallet for this, but I also can be touch for this and that means smooth. Now my hand is not being injured and anything. So that means it's okay. It's
Yes.
already okay. Right? Okay, so for now we can see. So not only for this part, for the whole machine's appearance need to be finished and okay. It's also needed to be great.
Yeah, and this time we show you only the stage of the verified the machine. So we no need to check the machine very detailedly. So we only check some parts. Okay.
Ah, okay. Now, so okay, I can see the next part is to check whether machine body has thin or dense. Okay, also means do not have something dust, and also I mean to just
Check the
when-
machine if they are dirty.
yeah, you just to check so if you are dirty.
And
So-
you can see the windows,
Yes.
and it's very clear to see the inside.
Yeah, we can see that directly for the machine and do not have any dirty and for some damage about this glass. Yeah, so we can clearly see that machine how it's working and if we have something problem happened and we can directly and clearly to see that what problem for this for example this oven and for this scraper.
Yes, it's easy to see the process of the machine.
Okay, so now okay for next part is also to check the rest. Okay, now for the glass and no damage for that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for the paint. Yes, as we all know, this is the stainless steels made by stainless steel, right?
Yes.
So we need to print some paint to avoid avoid rust.
Yeah.
So now we need to pick some things by the for this machine, because we just finished these machines and already right,
Yeah.
already finished the machine.
Yeah. It also is extend the user the
Research
use and the use time.
use time.
Extend the use time. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Guaranteed can use long time.
Just if we need to. Okay, you also mentioned the production one, right? This one just for the lab or research.
Yes.
Okay, so if we finish the research and finish the research for this repository, and we make the film, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in order our final purpose is in order to make the film.
Yeah.
Yes. So if we testing and preparing for the film and it can be product.
Yeah.
So that means you need to change this machine into the production one.
Yeah.
That's I already know that the production one is OZM 340, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes. So if we if you buy for this OZM 116 and also testing and finish the film checking and testing. So if you need you also need to change for this one into the production one. It's 340 OCA. Yes. Okay, now which is welding spots on the machines? I do not see clearly that.
We can see it in the
Yes. Okay, photographer just yes.
can open.
Yes. I'm sure it cannot be open.
We can see it in the machine inside or somewhere.
Inside or appearance for the welding spots.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just choose spots for like this.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so in also for to check for the welding spots is in order to avoid also to not so how can I say I mean the smooth appearance and do not also for beauty. Yeah, beauty appearance.
And
Okay, for the next.
and the next is the check the material of this machine.
Ah.
Like the material outside it should be 304.
Yeah.
And inside with the material we need to check if it is 316.
316.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the difference of the 304 and the 316?
The difference
It's
is
all yeah. Sorry.
if we
Okay,
use
sorry.
the-
304 and 316 also for the part material of the stainless steel, right?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, you can go.
And the difference is if we use the special tool to check the material,
Yeah.
like 304.
Yeah. So for this one is 304.
Yeah, if we use the special tool in this and
Yes.
we check it will turn right and
Yeah.
white.
Yes.
But
Okay.
316 it will turn right and not be white.
Yeah, it's just for special checking way.
Yes.
Okay, so now we do not prepare it for the next lab, and we will do precise special checking way and how and help you how to divide the 304 and 316 of the stainless steel.
Yeah.
Okay, now why we use the part of the 316? So which part we need to use the 316?
This part.
Yes. Okay, for this oven.
Yeah, not this is the
Yes.
ruler and somewhere. And also like
Roller. Okay. Okay, please follow.
this, it must be 316.
You
Because
mean
it is connected with the field. So
you mean the touching part?
yes.
So for the touching part, we need to use the 316.
Yeah.
It's in order for clean or anything purpose for this.
It will be more clean.
Yeah, the more cleaning. Okay, see. Okay, which for so for the touching part, we use the 316.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what's the next stage we need to checking and
Next
testing?
stage is no dead corners and it is clean.
No dead corners.
Yes, you can see if there have any dead corner, you can check.
Okay. In fact, for the traditional machine, we build for this part to like for this corner.
Yeah.
So that's why we have a dead corner in this machine. But for this machine, we design for like this step, right?
And
We
it's
design like
also more safety.
yeah more 50 and
Safe.
yeah more safe. And you can see we use the white back color, and you can easily see the dust. And if you see some unclean and dusty inside this machine, or your material run out anywhere in this machine, you can clearly and easily see that. So we use the color back color, white back color for this. And that corner you see we design for this gap, and no that corner for this, and easy to clean. Yes, in order to easy to clean, because that corner is also is not necessary for this machine, but we design for this part and design for like this gap in order to easy for clean.
Yes.
Yes, okay, I know that. Okay, so we check we do not have dead corner. Yes, okay. Also can see we design for like this in order to know dead corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what's the next step?
Next, we need to check the circuit electricity level.
Okay, sorry.
Let's go to the
Yeah.
another side of the machine.
Another, okay. Okay, which part?
We need to check the electricity part.
Electricity parts.
Yeah, we need to check if there will have a label in the electricity. Like
Ah.
this, you can see there will have an R9.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, R9. R.
So and also I can see a different brand, right?
Yeah.
So if you have any special requirements of this brand, and for some breaker and switch, and for the fan box and something else, yes, also for the PLC control, PLC control systems, for your favorite, for your requirements. If you like to use a brand like Siemens and Wilron and yes, okay. Okay, so hello friends. Now we are checking and testing for the film making machines. And now we turn to the checking the electric setting for these film making machines. And now the machine's name is OCM 116. Yes, 160. That means the film wise for is 116. The max film wise. Okay, so now you have any questions about these machines, and you want to know where we need to testing and checking, you can type your words under the comment area and to tell us, and we will to feed you back you soon and help you to solve problems. Okay, and now we turn into the electric settings, and now we motion the brand. Yeah, we have different brand as your requirements. Yes, something like your Physics, and for Physics, and also for the Siemens, and for uh, Snyder's, and also it can as your requirement. Yes. Okay, now for this part, we are not professional for this electric setting, so can we pass for this?
Yes, we only need to check the label if there is a label in the.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's
Just
okay.
it's okay. Just
Yeah.
that we can pass.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Okay, now we close for this part. Okay.
30分钟了，可以休息。
Okay, now our photographer will lead you to show around about these filmmaking machines, and if you have any problems and questions, and not problems, sorry, questions. If you have any questions about filmmaking machines, you can type your words under the comment area and tell us, and we will appear soon to lead you to solve the problems. And if this problem we can solve that, we can call our energy to solve these problems. And now we just let the photographer take you show around the filmmaking machine. Okay, now see you soon.
有关掉吗？
对，
喝了现在。
30，可以休息到40。
多爽！
换种情况。5分钟打个招呼，5分钟打个招呼。35的时候打个招呼，然后40的时候打个招呼，就可以再开始。可以吧？讲话的。就是进去。过个5分钟，然后再给你讲一句话。对呀。刚才有4个人。
Okay, hello friends, welcome to our live room. And now our live room is in order to show you the machines checking and testing for this OCM 116 film making machines. This film can be applied in the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and cosmetical industries. And it can be product like sildenafil and CBD, like so on. And for the nutraceutical, like vitamin series, like vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Yes. And if you are interested in for the machines, please contact us and our emails also in this for the parts. Okay. Now, okay, I also show for the machines. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Martin. Welcome to our demo room. And this time we will check the ODF machine. And the name is ODM 160. And now, if you have any problem for this machine and some questions, just ask about us. Ask to us. We will ask the question for you very detailedly.
对，就是我呀。我一直在，我一直在。
Okay, so now hello friends, we back to the checking and testing parts. And our friend Martin need to resting and now we ask you follow to forget these forces. Okay, set in our mind, we just to follow forces inspection report, okay? Okay, for this one, now also we have testing for these machines. Okay, now we can also see the operation interface, right? And you can see, maybe you cannot easily foresee that, but we can see there has a scraper, feedboard, and oven cover and oven cover too. So first oven cover and also immersion for you. Immersion for you is just to close the close the oven. And for the feedboard, because as we all know, we need to change the film, right? So we need to tap this button and let the film platform need to be closed and be open and easier for our film exchange. And now, also for the scalper, right? You need to change scalper need to put into this scalper to put in this films. So when we need to change the film, we need to let the scalper release and to fold up, right? Okay, so now we also can see for this oven set temperature. Yes, we also see that our temperature site is can be reached for our room temperature, and it also can be reached the 100 temperature. Yeah, it's a standard one. So for this now, we're setting for 80 degrees Celsius. So that means our oven temperature it can be reached the 80 degrees Celsius. But if you are reach out and the or higher than the 80 degrees Celsius, it will around and stop this temperature heating. Stops the heating. Yes. Okay. So hello friends, welcome to our lab room. Okay, this is our align team for in order to introduce the OCM 116 film making machines. And now we are just checking and testing for these machines. So if you have any problems, not problems, questions, you can tap your roles under the camera area. Okay, thank you for your support. Okay, now we continue. Okay, I see Martin is come back, and now we continue the checking and testing process. Okay, can you is your checking turn on your microphone? Okay.
Yes, I need to check.
Okay. So
Okay, let's go.
yes, it's okay. Now yes, now we turn to this stage, right?
Yeah,
Emergency stop push button, right?
yeah.
Okay, which the
There is the
emergency.
button. Yeah.
Okay, we also can see our words. Okay, please because yeah, you can see the say stop, right? You can clearly see that emergency stop. Also have a stop, but it's different. Yes. Yes. Also, we can see they have a stop, but for this one, it's emergency stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. If we have any problems or something security problem will be happen. You can quickly and to push this stop button and stop these machines.
Yes, and it will stop immediately.
Just immediately, just to push and all the machine will be turned off.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So for which spot? Which is the next?
Next is the pinch and the share. Means
Page and the share.
yeah, means the surface and the joints and the cavities must be free of barriers. Shapes, edges, and the cavity must be small to avoid finger.
Small.
Yeah, to
Just
avoid
a finger.
finger entry. Yeah,
Just your finger.
yeah.
Ah.
Like this. Like if
Yes.
okay,
Which part?
let's turn off this.
Yeah.
Yeah. As the we first see like this part, we
We just can do not let our fingers to reach out into.
no.
this
It's
part.
less like some
Yes. So for which part, just you also mention the
it means
finger.
barriers like this.
Yes,
Yeah,
barriers. Yeah.
barriers.
Okay. I
No
know
barriers there, and with our fingers will not.
will hurt
Yeah, will not hurt.
or injured by forces like this.
Yes.
Okay. It also means the finger cannot reach. Also, you means 3.5 millimeters.
No.
Meter.
It means the
No bubbles and do not hurt and injure just
Yeah.
for this part.
yeah just for this part.
Okay.
Let's check if they have a machine ground level.
Machine ground. Okay.
Ground
So
sign.
which is the machine?
Let me find.
Okay, please photograph it. Please.
没有的就先不看了，不浪费时间。
OK，那就不看了。
Yes, and our ground. Okay, is for this one is a ground.
不要乱调。
Okay, sorry. Okay, you also can see our nameplate. Our nameplate and for the details information it can be shown for this plate. Yes. Okay, for the which is the next?
Next is the next must be running the machine. So, but this time we can't running the machine now.
Yeah, we
So,
cannot reach.
Could
Yes.
you explain for us what the PLC controller can control?
Yeah, which the PLC
Each
control-
part, I mean.
Each part, yes, okay. Now for the part, now we low for down for this. Okay, sorry. Okay, now we can see that. Okay, now also I have to show you the scalper and feedboard. Yes, scalper is in order to raise the film and the up and down to easy for us easy to exchange the film, right? And for the feedboard, okay, it's clear to see that our feedboard also is the same to close and touch for the films, and also it can be released just like this. Yeah, just the film release and oven to change our the films. And for this oven cover 1 or 2, it means we can close oven. I think we can. Okay, okay. Okay, now for the temperature setting. Yeah, also see that it can. We also have setting for the sensor temperature sensors inside oven. So if we attack for the temperature in the oven are more than 80 degrees Celsius. So for this machine, it will run us and stop the heating part. Yeah, so also means for stop. Okay, you can also see L boiler 1 and boiler 2. Yes, we have two ovens, so we have also have two air boiler. So you can adjust two different parameters about the hot air, and it also means powerful of the wind, right?
Yeah.
So also can exhaust the air one or two. Also is the same. It also is the same. Yes, and you can you also can see for temperature. Yes, for this temperature you can see is it can be it change, right?
Yeah.
So that means we text for the real temperature, and because now we are not heating, not the heating part, right?
Yes.
So for the exact number is show us the roommate now.
Yes, you're right.
So not roommate. Sorry, it's the room temperature.
Yeah, room temperature.
Yeah, now temperature is 23.2. 23.2.
25.
Yes. Also, it's two different. Okay. For the most important, you can be adjust our capacity.
Yeah.
Is for the working speed.
Yes, working
Yeah,
speed.
we can adjust for the working speed, and also you can see you just push the button and you can adjust for the working speed. Okay, and for more one questions, what's the max or not the max? I mean the working speed. We already setting for which one?
Usually we setting for
Yeah,
0.3 or 0.5.
3.5.
Yeah. Also, it depends for your requirement. Like if your material was easy to dry, so
Easy to dry.
we can make the high speed.
You
And
mean
it is hard to dry, so we need the lower speed.
you mean okay? Sorry, I need. Okay, so you mean depends on the material.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the wet or dry and sticker or something needed to also for alcohol.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So we need to depends on the material, so we can adjust. So that's why we need to checking and testing for the machines. And so if you have any material need to be testing, you can send your material to our factory and we will testing. Because we have a lab. Also, we also have lab and the research group in order to help you to testing for some for this material. How can we change into the ODF? How to change the oral dissolving films? Yes, that's
Yes.
why that's why we in order to help you. That's why we provide the best after sales for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And before production, we need to test one time and one time again and again. So
Yeah.
it's the necessary thing we should
Yeah,
do.
that's the thing we need to. That's our responsibility.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So okay, now we turn back to the PLC control panel.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can for this sample. I think is simply meaning of this button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just touch for the button is the machine will be wrong.
Yes, you're right.
Wrong. And now because now we just do checking and testing, so we do not let the machines wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. For the normal checking and testing, I think we need to adjust for this, right? Because
Sure.
because now we do not have sample or materials can be wrong for these machines. So we do not turn off. Maybe next time. Okay, not the next time. We will put the material or samples for take also sample or material and run for this machine, and you can see the exactly effect of this material and how to make in this film. Okay. Okay. For this film pressures, I do not know the exact meaning of this. Yes, it film pressure. You mean the wind? Yes, actually film pressure set up. Yeah, we can see our
tension,
Yes.
张力
Yeah, also
tension
mean
of the
tension. Yes, also for the film, right?
Yeah.
We just hitting and drying, right? For some, so we will be scrapper.
The tension also means we need to keep the film strip.
So keep the film tight. Okay, I see. Okay, for this temperature of feeding plate. For this machine, we need to heating before we the wet material into the oven. We also need to heating.
Yeah.
Okay, so just for this part. Okay. Okay. For one more portions for this. It also means if your material need to heating for first. So also for this part, for certification, it also depends on requirements,
Yes,
right?
sure.
Okay. Okay. I mentioned for the alcohol, right? Okay. Also can see the alcohol concentration. Yes, the alcohol concentration is because alcohol it can you mean okay how can I say okay I mean if you use alcohol in the high temperature in a closed area, I think it's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Yeah.
And also, so we have some part to let the air outside
Just a
to
hot
low down.
sorry concentration.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you means yes. So because alcohol in a high temperature is very dangerous, so we citing for this part to avoid the problems will be. So
And keep it safe.
yeah, so also we set up the sensor about the alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay, and yes, we for the traditional device, if we use the alcohol, we also have anti-explosions device. Yeah, for the anti-explosion device for the alcohol.
防爆。
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. 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 I said so. If your material contains alcohol, we can adjust for this part and also for the low temperature, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, because now we do not have material also contains the alcohol, so we do not setting for this number. Okay. Now we also can see the oven one temperature and humidity. Okay, we have you can see the different.
Yeah,
Which
maybe,
different?
Maybe there is some problem. There should be oven two temperature.
There's also oven two temperature, but which the difference? Yeah, we can see the two oven temperature. Which the difference?
Different is the
I see.
percent.
I see the percent. What's the meaning of the percent?
Do you know why?
I do not know why. So you need to ask Tom.
上面那个设定，下面那个实际温度，
Yes, and for okay, we also
这边
can
是不能动，对吧？
yes,
这固定的，这里是在这里是。
yeah.
不是，我是说
Okay, now says our setting interface, and you can see you can adjust the air intake and air exhaust. Just means outtake. Yes. Yes. Also we can adjust for this part. Okay. Now that the number is also changed.
Yeah.
Yeah. That means that's the thing, right? I mean that's thing, but this changes the percent to easily and clearly to see that how the temperature can be reached for this part.
Yeah.
Okay. I see that. Okay, so we run for this build control panel and yes, for this setting. Yes, and we can also see that. Also, we can see that our L inlet, L also okay for exhaust also can be simply meaning of this
Yeah.
air outlet, and you can see our driving temperature. It also can be adjusted. For this range is room temperature to the 100 temperature, 100 degrees Celsius. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, and
And the last one is the weighting tension.
waiting tension.
Yeah. To
waiting.
collect the
to
film.
collect the films, finish the film, right?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So we finish for this part.
Yeah. Finish.
Okay. Now we can come back.
1个小时。
And
Yes. Yes. Now we turn to English. English, I mean in Chinese. Okay. Okay, so we okay, it's over.
Yeah, it's over.
Yeah, for this inspection report.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, now it's 1 hour. Is okay? Sorry.
It's okay.
And we introduced the whole part about for this OCM and exciting filmmaking machine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And thanks for our old friend Martin and come to our live room and introduce training and testing for the whole filmmaking machines and help us know how to testing and to see the different part and how, right? Yes, and to our whole living process. And now, if you have any questions or questions for this part, and you can type your questions in under your common area and let us know. And after that, or the next lab, which means you checking and testing, please feel free and contact us. Okay, me and our Martin, yeah, our old friend Martin also will be show for this time. Okay,
Welcome, guys. See you next time.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.